Hey everyone, thanks for coming to the channel. I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your Roomba. This one is 12 years old and I've changed the battery in it once before, but it's real simple. Running in the background here we've got a shark, and they're probably both equally about as dumb as any floor cleaning product that I've ever bought. Tend to wander around a lot, but you get what you pay for a lot of times. This is one of the lower end models. Anyway, get right to it. You flip it over, the Roomba. You've got two screws, one here, and you just remove those. And I have a replacement battery here that I bought on Amazon. I'll have a link in the description. And if you're not using the 780 model, your model is different, all you have to do is get on Amazon and type in the model number, Roomba, your model number, battery, and it's going to pop up with a whole bunch of these. And these may not be as good as the original batteries, but they're going to work, and it's cheaper than buying a new one. So your Roomba might have a different battery slot in it compared to this model, but this is how you do the 780 or the 700 series. Just take these two screws out. And some of the newer Roombas probably have a lithium-ion battery, which is better. This one's got a nickel metal hydride rechargeable battery. And it's only getting about 15 minutes of runtime lately with this battery. And so this one that I put in a few years ago, it's called Power Extra. This one does not have a brand on it, but they both work. So we're just going to pull on these tabs to get it out. Just as easy as that. Doesn't get any easier. Take the new one, slap it back in there. Put the tabs over if you can. Now, you're going to have to put this thing on the charger. If you don't charge this thing for like 24 hours, the first time on a new battery, you're probably going to kill the battery. So make sure that you throw the new battery in and you put it on the charger for 24 hours to make sure it's fully charged. Just going to tighten up the screws. Follow the links down below in the description. Please subscribe. I don't have enough subscribers to support the channel yet, but when you follow the links down below, it helps support my channel through Amazon affiliate links. All right, thanks for watching. We're gonna go throw this thing back on its charger, and that's how it is done. Please subscribe.